Tom and Lisa from Sign Inc. On behalf of Graphco and SD Italy, we want to thank you all so much for being our #1 first customer here in North America. We're very, very excited about it. Giovanni?
I'm probably the most excited here, but yeah, I try to cover, but we are very, very happy.
We're looking forward to April.
Yeah.
We are too.
I think we will discover a lot of things together and a lot of different products with this technology. And we will be happy to help in this process. And I'm sure that this is the right place for the first unit in USA.
Yes, it is.
We feel that way too.
Customer heavily equipped, and it will be a nice,
Yes.
a nice test for our F-150.
And what I've also learned just in the brief time we've gotten to know each other is that both of you all really embrace new technology, and that's probably part of why you've had such a leadership position in the industry, because you can look at something and make your own judgment as to its utility in your plant. So we look forward to many years of great partnership.
Yeah.
You can see the heart and soul and hard work and determination of the company developing the product, and it comes out in the result. And you're recognizing that effort and that result.
Well, thank you very much. That's very kind. So, the other thing that I do want to mention is that Tom and Lisa's machine is actually going to take a quick detour to Orlando on its way up to Ashland, Virginia, and it's going to be part of our exhibition in the sign show down there in Orlando in April. So we appreciate very, very much your willingness to help us in that regard too.
Again, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you in Orlando.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I think you'll be the proudest guy in that show, right?
Absolutely. I will stay next to Giovanni. We're going to keep the same pace.
Yeah.
Boy, if you can keep up with his energy,
Lots of energy.
lots of energy. Both of these young guys, lots of energy. So, well, again, many, many thanks, and we appreciate you coming up to our open house. And now we've brought you in for one more quick visit, digitally. So.
Yeah, it was a very nice, nicely done open house. Very professional, very well done, very good support. It was nice to see the machine because it was a quick look at the way out. We were the last day at Atlanta, so it was nice to spend more time with it and become more acquainted with it, and even appreciate more the work that had gone into the design and development and release of it.
Well, thank you very, very much.
Thank you so much, Tom, again.
Yes. All right, well, listen, thank you all. I hope you have a great rest of your work week and good weekend.
Thank you.
Ciao, guys.
Thanks so much.
Ciao, ciao.
Good seeing you again.
Bye.
Bye-bye.